For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to one name your Facebook account. First, you have to download this app. Go to your Instagram. Go to Settings. Look for Accounts Center. Add your Facebook account. Finish setup. Open VPN Lot. Look for Indonesia. Select Jakarta. Then connect. Open your Facebook account. Click the three lines on the right side. Click Settings. Look for Accounts Center. Click Profiles. Select Facebook. Review settings. Then, save changes. You're done. Now check your Facebook account. Your one name already.